which is perhaps the biggest factor in gravitating fans to this format.
This is exciting, and I tell you what, you've got to look at it as 60 events. Can't look at it as 10 overs. When you're playing the T10, every ball matters. For the moment, it's going to be Tarun to start proceedings with the ball. Remember the CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement. It's been very exciting, very interesting. Celebrity Cricket League, you get the amalgamation of cricket and celebrities all coming together at one platform.
Well, the power plays in this format of the game. Only 2 boundary fielders in the first 3 overs. And it's an opportunity to smack the ball and get cracking and be aggressive right from the start. The first ball.
And what was interesting to see, Vineet, was the keeper, the captain himself, Kicha Shradeep, standing up to the stumps. So that puts pressure on Shakib. He can't really use his feet because Kicha is standing right up to the stumps. There's always a stumping opportunity that's going to come up. So Shakib's got to be careful. Can't come down the track too early.
Will be a good mental strategy to not perhaps look at the scoreboard right now. Raman, 126 of 59 balls can be pretty intimidating for any opening batsman.
That's one way to look at it, Vineet. The other way to look at it is that, hang on, the first 3 overs are the power play overs when you've got only 2 fielders outside the 30-yard circle. So you've got to try and maximize the scoring. The first run's already on the board. Jai Bhanushali on strike now. And that's exactly what I was talking about. You've got to maximize the power play. Get a loose ball. Dispatch it to the fence or over. The first 6 of the innings.
Well, they have to make the most of the power plays. The maximum runs are needed in these 3 overs. And they need to hit the ball out of the park from the word go, and Jay doing the needful. But he needs support from the other end as well. Now remember, this is a team sport. Partnerships will...
That's well bowled, but that's the problem for the keeper. When you're standing up to the stumps, get very little reaction time. Difficult to gather. It's bye signalled. So the extras making their presence felt on the scoreboard.
Well, that's the Mumbai dugout. Never fails to entertain, never fails to add some glamour and some tadka onto these festivities.
When you're chasing 126, you'll have a few worried looking faces, however glamorous they might be, Vineet.
Well, they should savor their courage and remember that it's Christmas today.
Well, they celebrate a lot more. Varun Badola, you have Vatsal sitting to his right. Oh, that's a cracker. If you're the non-striker, good to have the helmet on. Boundary to end the over. The replay would tell you exactly why I said that, because, well, Jai was in the firing line. The first over gone, 12 without loss.